Okay, so this is my first time taking this thing apart. What is that? I guess it just comes up now. I don't know how it's gonna clear this. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, there we go. I guess this pulls out as one assembly, or? Yeah, okay. Ooh. Dang. Yeah, this is gonna take some cleaning. So how did this happen? Wow. Check this planetary. They really should have. Well, yeah, no, they just sent me this. I really might need a new bearing, a new planetary. Yeah, because look at, you can see the wear on the planetary. And it's like sticky. It's not like grease anymore. So I'm going to be adding something different to this.